Okay. Reproductive system of frog we have completed. Just the topics of the frog. Okay. So topic of the frog, excretory system. So excretory system of the frog, it will, as you know, excretory system is nothing but what? Elimination of the waste. So in there it is linked here. The excretory systems are present in case of a female, urinogenital duct in case of the, and now they also consist of fluca. We have explained already in the excretory system. Fluca is present. Okay, and the urinary bladder is also present. So these are the excretory system, which both the reproductive system, excretory system here in case of male. In case of female, they are separate. They are not at all linked to the excretory system. So, and after that, we have told in case of a male, urinogenital duct is present. Why? The testis is connected and entering inside the kidney and opens into the, it is going to obtain. What happens here? It is opening separately. Oviduct is opening separately. Ureters is opening separately. What it indicates? Female do not have connected with the excretory system. So what happens? Excretory, first the blood will collect all the excretory waste and dump into blood, and blood will take the to purify to the kidney, and the blood, once it is purified, it is what? Their waste material is excreted out in the kidney. After this, next coming to the circulatory system. So here the circulatory system consists of, so circulatory system of the frog is closed type. Just I am recalling whatever we have discussed in earlier classes. Circulatory system of the frog is closed type because it comes under chordata. It comes under chordata, and the closed circulatory system consists of lymphatic system and also circulatory system. In case of circulatory system, heart is present. Blood vessels are present here. Also present. If you take the heart of the frog is muscular, which will conduct myogenic. This heart is myogenic and having three chambers. Upper two chamber are called auricles. Lower one chamber is called as ventricle. Okay, and after this, heart is also one particular mechanism. Even I have drawn the diagram and I have shown you. The triangular structure is present, right? The triangular structure called venous joining right atrium. Okay, so the blood will come, okay, received by the venous, and they will enter into atrium or auricles through the venous. And blood will be received by the major veins, superior and inferior vena cava. They will get the blood, especially deoxygenated blood enters into atrium. And after that, ventricle opens into conus arteriosus. Means the blood is coming from venous arteriosus, and the blood is going out from the heart through the what? Through the conus arteriosus, which is opening ventral side. Okay, ventral side of the heart. So you have to remember this. And wall of the heart is covered by pericardium. Okay, the wall of the heart, and between the pericardium, the pericardial fluid is also present. Okay, and after that, heart carries what? The blood through the arteries. Next, veins. Veins, it will collect the blood from the different connection is there. Okay, you have to remember, very important question for marks. That is the two types of portal system we can see. What is that two types of portal system? The special connection is created between the liver, means liver and intestine. There is a good connection between them with the help of capillaries. Okay, so the liver and what? The intestine connection, we will call it as hepatic portal system. What it is called? Liver portal system. And one more connection we have, kidney is well connected with the lower body parts, which is called as what? That is the renal portal system. They will be asking you what is renal portal system, or some objective questions also. Portal system, or the question they may ask you, name the portal system. Okay, the connection, special connection between the liver and intestine, which is equal to, we have represented, we can go through the earlier videos. Okay, in short way I have given all the points. And the next two portal system are over. So blood also consists of lymphatic system is not so well developed. They have lymph channels are there, lymph nodes are present. If you take blood, the blood is red in color because of the presence of hemoglobin. Blood cells are there. WBC, RBC, plasma, platelets are present. But one thing is, RBC are nucleated. Okay, RBC cells are nucleated in case of frog. And after this, in case of lymph, there is a lack of protein. RBC are there is a lack of protein and lack of RBCs. So lymph, we can call it as lymph is lacking the proteins as well as the RBC. So and after that, blood, what is carrying? Blood is carrying the nutrients. Understood? Nutrients and gases, water is carried out. So circulation we have recalled. Next one, after excretion, next one, respiratory system of the frog. So respiratory system, they will respire either both on land also and in water, because these are dual nature. They can survive both in water and on land. Okay, so now in case of land, they will utilize the skin which is having cutaneous layer. With the help of cutaneous skin, they are going to respire. They are with the help of cutaneous dissolve, so that skin will take up dissolved oxygen from the water and they will respire. They will excrete by diffusion. And in case of land, the buccal cavity, land, the skin also uses their buccal cavity and they act as respiratory organs. If they respire with the help of lungs, they are called pulmonary respiration. Lungs are pink, reddish color, elongated one. Understood? And they are located in the thorax region. They are located in the thorax region. We have already discussed that. And very important, the frog will go for summer sleep and winter sleep. Extreme hot they cannot tolerate. Extreme cold also they cannot tolerate. So during the summer, extreme hot, they will go for sleep. That is in burrows. Soil nella todi olagade hogi malkondidutte. Okay. So that is aestivation. In winter sleep, it is called hibernation. Okay. Then, and they can, the skin of flame, they can change the color according to their background. So camouflage, usually people call it as mimic, camouflage. Next questions. So some questions we will discuss now. So write down the question. The first question regarding this, they may ask you the differences between prostomium and peristomium. So the terms are very much similar, but they are completely changed. Okay, the question they may ask you differentiate, distinguish between what? That is prostomium and peristomium. Prostomium is the first segment where mouth is located. In case of earthworm, the cap-like structure here, this is pro, this is pedi. Pedi is helpful to dig the soil and they can enter into the soil, right? So you have to differentiate this. So here if you differentiate, just I'll write roughly prostomium first. Answer for prostomium. In case of prostomium, not a true segment, not true segment. But in case of peristomium, it is the first segment. This is one difference you can write. Then covering of the mouth. This act as this attached to the peristomium. So this contains prostomium. This is another difference. 1, 2. Next, one more difference also you can write here. To burrow the soil. Helps to burrow soil. Okay. But this surround the mouth opening. These are surround mouth. Okay. This is one question. Next, one more question we have. Question number 2. Again, distinguish between septal nephridia. Septal pharyngeal nephridia. Second question, again somewhat similar question they are asking here. Okay, septal nephridia, I'll write here answer for this. Septal nephridia. One more. Pharyngeal nephridia. Septal nephridia and pharyngeal nephridia. Present behind the 15th segment. It is present in earthworm. Present behind 15th segment. It is present in 4th, 5th and 6th segment. This is one differences you can give. Present on both sides of segmental septa. They are present on both sides of intersegmental septa. They are present on both sides. Present as paired tufts. Present as paired tufts. Okay. So these are the differences. Septal nephridia as well as the what? That is the peripheral nephridia. What is the? It is present behind the 15th segment. Here it is present 4th, 5th, 6th segment. Here this septal present on, if you see the diagram of the earthworm, you will come to know intersegmental septa is present, and here paired tufts are present. Paired tufts are present. Okay. So this is these are the two questions. The differences you can see. So some questions I will give you. You work on that. Okay. Regarding this chapter, some questions I will write. So please take it as a work and do your things. Next. Write the locations of, you have to write the question number 3, we are discussing question number 3, that is location. Location of chondrocytes. Okay, work on this very simple. Location of chondrocytes, then axon. What you have to do? You have to write where these parts are present. Axon, ciliated epithelium. Ciliated epithelium. Okay, this is third question. And even I'll write fourth question. Work on that. This is homework. Question number 4. So question number 4 again. Distinguish between. So this is question mark. You have to do this work. Distinguish between simple and compound epithelium. Okay. So please work on these two questions. Differences and location question I have given you as a note homework. So work on this. Note down the questions for homework class 3rd and 4th.